everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going um, to show you how to apply an DD tutor. Actually, matagal ko na tong narinig tong DD tutor, and for um yung salary nila dito is like 150. I heard it's 150 pesos or 1.5 dollars for Filipinos especially. Pero ngayon kasi ang tawag sa kanya is 25 hun. 25 HOON. 25 hun .com. So, if you want to apply, pumunta kayo sa website nila, which is 25hun.com/tutors. Yun. Okay. So, ito nga yung kanilang platform or kanilang website. Ayan, join now, right? So, pagka-click nyo nitong join now, kasi nga apply 25 hun English, click it. Okay. So, first, let's see kung paano nga ba mag-apply, guys. So, nakalagay dito, 25 Hun English is another online course company that is open to the permanent English language school in the Philippines. Okay, Cebu, Clark, and Baguio all have branches. Oh, I see. So, we also welcome teachers of online courses to become official teachers of our language school after accumulating experience. Okay? But I heard, pwede rin naman kahit walang experience dito sa DD tutor. So, maybe pag may experience kayo guys, so mas mataas ang ano ninyo, ang offer, hopefully, sa inyo. So, 5 steps to join our team. First is, step 1 is the application. So, fill out the form. So, kanina, I click na po itong join now. Ito po yung kanilang application form. Yan. Nationality, Afghanistan. So, nationality, Philippines, of course. Yung state ninyo, Philippines. Ayan. Teaching experience, less than 1 year or 1 year or more than 3 years. Ayan. For sure, yung kanilang offer, it will depends upon your teaching experience naman, di ba? So, your name here, your email, address. So, actually, guys, nung DD tutor pa siya, nag-try akong mag-send ng, dito sa kanila ng application. Tapos, after, agad-agad talaga, nag-send sila sa akin ng reply. But, before that, let me first finish yung mga steps para hindi tayo maguluhan. Okay, 5 steps again. First, yung application nga. So, after ng application, may ipapagawa sila sa inyo, guys. Tapos, so, interview. Next step. Tapos, step 3 is conduct a demo lesson to show that your potential. Huh? That your potential? Yes, of course. So, step 4 is having training. Okay, 25 Hun will provide training sessions to applicants, of course. Step 5, start teaching, di ba? So, ganito rin naman talaga yung mga usual na steps, di ba? Application, tapos may interview, may demo lessons, and everything. So, here, work experience. Okay, ano ba nga ba mga kailangan dito, guys? At least 18 years old. Proficient in English. So, at least 18 years old. Hindi naman nakalagay na kailangan college graduate ka or, 'di ba? Kailangan ng bachelor's degree. So, proficient in English. O, 'di ba? Yung mga 18 years old dyan, na mga magagaling mag-English, go na. 'Di ba? Certificate of Proficiency in English Language is a plus. Plus siya. Hindi naman sinabi na it's na kailangan talaga yung certificate. It's a plus lang. Siguro may additional kayong points dyan. So, minimal weekly hour commitment. We do not impose any minimum nor the maximum amount. Wow, very flexible, right? O, andito nga, the schedule is entirely flexible. So, kung gusto nyo ng 1 hour lang kayo a day, at least, or 5 hours a week, go na. Pang ano lang siya, pwede siya pang part-time if may iba kayong jobs, or pwede rin naman na todo-todo nyo na to kasi 150 per hour, guys. Sa bahay lang tayo, 'di ba? So, native and non-native, everyone is welcome. So, tayo Filipinos, we are non-native speakers, right? Of course. So, accent preferences, non-native, neutral, native North American, native UK, native Australian, New Zealand. Oh, arte-arte, grabe. So, yun, native Ireland. Wow. So, yun, pag na taga-Ireland, if you're from UK, from Australia, New Zealand, syempre mas matataas ang mga salary nitong mga ito mga native speakers na to. So, teaching experience requirement, no experience required. Go na guys. Ano pa bang inaantay ninyo? So, TEFL, TESOL, CELTA certificate requirement, of course. Oh, okay. Certificate of proficiency in English language is a plus, but not a requirement again. But for everyone, it's better na meron na po tayong TEFL or TESOL or CELTA. May mga videos naman dyan na is teaching you on how to have your own TEFL or TESOL certificates. So next is application should have a strong wired cable type of internet connection. Okay. So these are some of the questions or anything else. Booking situation. So ito, pag-aralan na lang to kung nakuha na kayo guys. So anyway, application form, ito nga yun. Just send it. And then agad-agad isasend nila sa inyong email guys ang okay, I'm gonna show you sa aking email kasi yung mga kailangan talaga dito. Okay. Kung yung kasi naka-start, ayan, start. Ito yung mga na-applyan ko, guys. Siguro gagawin ko din to ng mga ng mga ang dami ko nang na-applyan dati. So, saan na nga ba po 'yun? Ayan, ang dami-dami na po. So, dati DD Tutor pa kasi ang tao. Ito, DD Tutor application. So, hello Ilham, thank you for your interest. Kailan pa po ba to? August 27 pa guys. DD tutor pang tawag sa kanya. Hindi pa 25 HOON or HOON, right? So, thank you for your interest in DD tutor and for submitting your application for the English online tutor. So, we especially appreciate the time and effort you put into the application process. In order to finish the application process, please follow the steps below to complete your application. So, step 1, click the link. So, let's click this kasi may pinapagawa sa inyo nga. So, step 2, please check the PDF file and prepare the requirements. So, tapos, save mo siya lahat in a folder, right? Tapos, i-reply kayo dito. We will contact you via email. Prepare when a review has been completed. So, iko-contact kanila if you are qualified for interview, I think. So, next. So, ito yung kailangan mong gawin, guys. What's happening with my internet? Parang bagal. So, tanggalin na lang muna natin yung iba kasi, ayan, nag-YouTube pa kasi. Okay, next. Okay, let's just wait for... So, application form for tutor, PDF. Pareho lang din naman to. So, first is, please complete the questionnaire and save it as a Microsoft Word documents or pages. Okay. So, full name, Q1, Q2. So, eto, ilalagay nyo to sa isang folder, I think. Yeah. So, full name, name of student to call you, country, age, gender, email, phone number, education, teaching, professional teaching courses, any experience, self-introduction. Okay? So, 100 to 150 words. Tapos, eto, ID and etc. So, ayan, kailangan ganito syempre. Hindi naman parang ganito. Nakakatakot ang itsura, guys. Please save this. So, save nyo siya in a folder and compressed folder. Okay? Tapos, ipapadala nyo siya ulit. Yung folder na yun. With all the requirements that is mentioned. Okay? So ganun lang, guys. Tapos, wait nyo siya kung so actually I'm really interested in Didi Tutor kasi pero may mga videos din yung mga interviews. So try niyong manood para sama-sama tayo dun sa Didi Tutor. Why not, 'di ba? Try. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I guess that will be all. Thank you. Bye.